That's,
you are not that much heavy. Oh, you can.
I'm really heavy.
How much kg you are?
There's another way?
Yeah, no, there's no way. It's a locality here.
Okay.
Yeah. If you want, you can.
No,
Yeah, throw spot here.
I'm too heavy.
No, it's okay. Come. Walk like this.
What is this?
This is very. Oh my God. Yeah. It's our own boat. But I go also for paints. People need painters, so I go.
Look at this.
Those are the two brothers who made these new houses.
Wow.
It is not deep, it is just here. It's just, yeah.
But I don't want to wet my shoes.
बोलो भाई वालेकुम सलाम कहाँ हो
मैं एनआईटी के पास मुझे बोलो
हाँ
आप कहाँ हो?
घर पे
चल ठीक है मैं निकल रहा हूँ आज घर हाँ?
चलो ओके बेबी you can have one in hot summers we used to make hat of this sir
Yeah. What's up? Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, I just got that. And then you chop.
What she say?
Come on. Ito ba may karayo chakra? Kacheno. Come on, I will have a ride of a boat. What's on you? Bridge. Come on. Go. Without any pay. If you like to pay, so come on. Come on, bro. I got train in the picture. Go there. Sit. Come on. Come on, sit. Be seated. Come. Come slowly. Go. Go here. Sit at the middle. Very good. Masa. Sit at the middle.
Okay. So big problems, huh?
We are so worried about this.
Yeah, so?
We are so worried about this because flood-like situations is here.
Yeah, it's very bad.
Come. Hello, brother. Explore the Kashmir. Come.
Okay.
Not with shoes.
I don't want to cut my foot.
Come.
Okay.
Come.
3, 2, 1, go.
Come. Go last one. Brother, this pussy is very hard.
Don't talk like this on my video, please.
That's much. That's the bunch he is. You can't much. Wait.